Tommy Robinson, you've been targeting our mosques, now we're going to target your church. Of course we ain't going to target your church. We're not like that. That's exactly what you want. That's exactly the kind of response that you're looking for. You're trying to push the Muslim community. You're trying to agitate us, and we're not going to give it you. This church has been here for as long as the Muslim community in Stoke has been here. We've never targeted churches, and we've always shown respect for places of worship. So then why is it that you're targeting our mosques? Why is it that you're targeting our Muslim women and our Muslim community? It's because your Zionist backers, they've got a certain agenda that they're trying to push. Oh, British people, wake up. Understand, the establishment are using Tommy Robinson as a little pawn to try and cause a division between the Muslim community and the rest of society. And we're not going to buy it. Message to the British people, do your own research. We're not bad people. You want to save your children, we want our children to be safe as well. You want to live a good standard of life, we want to live a good standard of life as well. And a message to the Muslim community, do not get sucked up and do not get used and taken advantage of by reacting in a way that the media and the politicians want you to react. Stay safe, defend your mosques, and do not cross the boundaries that Islam has written for you.